Welcome to Aventra Mining App, ladies and gentlemen, on Google Play Store, and let's check the about this app. Enjoy simple, fun mining cycles with no real cryptocurrency involved. AVN Mining Simulator lets you experience crypto mining without using real device power. Start virtual mining sessions, level up your mining rig, earn simulated AVN rewards, and enjoy a fun, gamified Web3 mining experience. Latest version has been updated on the 2nd of February and more than 10,000 downloads. Android version 7 and up. If you have not installed it already, you find the install button. In my case, I have, and let's hit the launch button. And the only option here is to sign in with Google. So make sure you're signing in with a Google account that is specially designated for this, right? Just for safety. You click on the sign in with Google and you select a Google account from a list of your Google accounts. Then you enter your name, your username, the person that referred me, and you click on complete. So it says username available. If it's not, you try another one. Registration successful, and I have been automatically logged in. Allow notifications, and let's click on start mining. So my mining session have started, 6 hours. Then I'll come back and start again. My referral link has been generated. You can copy and share. And this is it. Let's click on this button next to the menu here. Earn free AVN. You complete task and earn up to 500 AVN daily. There is the daily claim bonus. Let's click on claim now. So 50 AVN has been added. Other tasks can include retweeting on Twitter, join Telegram group, official Discord, retweet post, follow on Twitter. These are some of the tasks you will complete to earn more. So I've joined the Telegram group, and this is the channel. I've also subscribed to the channel. So according to them, 50 million AVN has been mined. That's 10%, and the race just started. But the smart ones are already ahead. Mine now, build your power, secure your share before 200 million halving. 90% still left, but not for long. Are you early? All right. You join the Discord server. Click on accept invite. Then you click on verify here. Click the right emoji to verify. So this is the emoji. Click on next. So I have verified. Wave to say hi. So you click on the emoji symbol here and you wave. You can complete as many tasks as possible to obtain more. You can even watch videos. A single video can earn you up to 500 AVN. Next on the menu here, referral page. So you copy. Your code is most likely your username, and then you share the link, and anyone who downloads and use your link upon registration follows in the list of your referrals. You can earn up to 1,000 times by referring others. What do we have here? AVN staked. So people are actually staking. So far, this amount has been staked. AVN reward rate is 11%. I haven't staked anything. I just came here. They have different pools, up to 3 pools. The last one here is the wallet, and it says I have a total balance of 90 AVN. That's after completing those tasks and stuff. Back to the home page. This is it, guys. This is about Aventra, right? At a glance. So if you want to know more, you might want to check out their social media pages. Here is their Twitter page. You might want to check it out and follow them to be up to date with the progress of the project, right? So this is just one of those mining airdrops. So this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial expert. It doesn't involve paying of any money here, as you can obviously see, right? So there you have it, guys. You're not under any obligation to join the platform, but if you wish, you can. So thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.